Hello, everyone. Welcome to Physics Online. I'm Mr. Child. I will be your instructor for this term. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Let me share my screen with you. All right. Over here on the right-hand side, this is your assignments, and they should be in order of due date. Due date is right here. That will change, of course, based upon the term that you're in, and then the points are right there in the name. Okay. Over here on the other side, your grades and your modules. You can always go in and check your grades and then modules. This is a list form or a list view of the modules for each module. Always click home to get back to the home page. On this home page, this course modules right here, instead of a list view, that is a tile view. Okay. And this will take you, when you click, it will take you right into specific modules. All right. The syllabus here, this is a quick link to the syllabus page. This is a quick link to the office hours. And this is a quick link to the final exam overview. We'll look at all those pages here in a second. Let's go ahead and jump into getting started. All right. Our learning objectives are always listed at the beginning of each module. And each of these are links into specific pages, okay? How to get started or how to be successful in an online class. I'm kind of doing this video, you're watching it right now, okay? Although it won't be posted here, it'll be posted on the main page. Course syllabus. Here's my office hours and some contact information. Always click, the best way to contact me is to click here and send me an email, okay? This is our overview for all 4 terms. However, this current one is term 1, okay? Clicking here will take you to the UEN page with the strands and standards for this class. This will take you to the materials page, which I'll show you here in a minute. Important dates to remember. These dates will be updated based on the term, but each of the module start dates and end dates, you can work ahead for those of you who want to. That was a big question I had at back to school night is, can I work ahead? Yeah, always. Nobody asked me if they could fall behind, and the answer there is no. Stay up to date. I want you staying up to date. I will be reaching out to you if you don't. This will take you to the Weber Online Proctoring Center page. I will show you that here in another page here in a minute. But there's multiple places to get to that. Our grading scale is right here. Due dates and missing work. Late work can be subject to a penalty. I don't want to give it to you a penalty. And unless you're turning things in like on the last day, I won't be giving you a late penalty. Once a due date passes, zeros are entered, okay? And you can submit work up until the final day of the quarter. Pretend like you love me and don't do that, okay? Stay up to date. It's so much easier for both of us. AI, I do give you AI for the assignments in this course. AI is something that's with us. We need to learn how to use it. Labs and quizzes, I don't want you using AI. Labs are you do something and then you report the result. So at this point, yeah, no. Okay. But definitely for assignments. How to contact me. This is my desk phone. I'm not always at my desk. I do have students in class from time to time. And if I'm working with them, I don't answer this phone. Email. Right here. Click here and drop me an email. If you want to come visit me, come say hi. I'm in the Innovation High School campus, room 213 upstairs. Office hours. I have office hours Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 12:25 to 12:55. You click here and you can and then we can join a Google Meet together, okay? I'm going to go ahead and close that. Some of the things when you're jumping into office hours, have your assignment open on your Chromebook, okay? So that you can share your screen with me and we can see what's going on. Write down specific questions beforehand. If you're like, going, I don't know how to do this, write that down beforehand. If you can't make the times, the office hours times, please let me know. And we can schedule a meet. Just so you know, if I'm meeting with you outside of office hours, I do expect you to have an adult or a parent or guardian. Okay. Fees and materials. You can click here to see the full district website, but basically anything needed for this course is self-provided. Okay. You are going to need an internet connection. You are going to need a Chromebook, and you can use your Weber School District Chromebook if you have one, or you can use a laptop or iPad or whatever. Phones, I mean, it's possible to do it on a phone, but it's not nearly as much fun because it's hard to see. Okay, access to a camera. Some of the labs you have to either video yourself or take pictures. And then from time to time, you will need to do some math, so a good calculator might be needed. And I don't care if it's online, but you probably will need a calculator from time to time. A metric ruler or something to measure with. Sometimes you do have to graph something or something of that nature. So these things, you do not need a dedicated notebook for this class. Okay. In my labs, I do try to use common household items. Module 1, final exam information 1.6. Right here, when you click on this will take you to the proctoring ladies. You click here and then you fill in the time on this calendar that they have set up. Please know that if you cannot get times with them, let me know and I will do my best to help you. No more than 35 questions on the exam, worth no more than 20%. You do have to have, again, proctor, again, due dates. These due dates will change based upon term and year, right? But I do update these, but you do have to have, I'll get it. These are the absolute last day to submit. Testing, final exam, anything, last day. It's a hard due date. I can't change it. It's given to me, so I can't change it. This is how you can get to know me a little bit. I want to know a little bit about you. So you're going to start the assignment. We're going to come up, just copy this, highlight it, copy and paste it, come down to the text entry and paste it. And then type in your information. Tell me a little bit about you. Okay. Then once you're done, submit the assignment. Remember, if you don't submit the assignment, I don't see the assignment. So I can't give you points for it. Okay. Next is the course agreement. This is a new quiz. And basically it's saying, yes, I have read through the syllabus and the readiness. I've gone through all of that stuff we just went through. I understand the grading policies. I understand everything. And you either click yes or no. If you click no, then I expect you to send me an email stating what you don't understand so that you and I can get together either during our first office hours or whatever and go through that stuff. Don't forget to submit. Once you've submitted, hopefully yours will say 100%. We can return to the home page, or we can go back to module overview. We're going to go back to the module overview because we do have a pretest here. Jump into this pretest, take it. Okay. Once you're done with that pretest, we're going to go back to those modules. I'm going to go to this module overview. Notice that our first assignment right here is the video about our first assignment and all of that. So make sure you get that done this first week as well. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can always email me in the inbox, or you can jump in and join office hours, clicking here to join those office hours. Folks, I am so glad you are here. I want you here. I want you to know that. I want you to be successful. I want to help you. If things are taking you more than 2 hours, I want to know that. That's part of, I believe there's a survey at the end of each module telling me, where you can tell me whatever you want to tell me, okay? I'm glad you're here. I will see you next week. Have a great week. See you soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.